What if making more money isn't actually making you richer? You can get a raise, work harder, and still feel like you're falling further behind. And here's the scary part. This happens to people who earn decent money, sometimes even very good money. You get a raise, your paycheck goes up, but somehow your bank account doesn't. That's because your lifestyle quietly rises with your income. And before you realize it, the extra money is gone. Trap number one, lifestyle inflation. Imagine you were earning $60,000 and living on $50,000. Then your salary jumps to $75,000. Instead of saving the extra $15,000, you upgrade everything. The bigger apartment, the nicer car, more dinners out, more subscriptions. You didn't become richer. You simply became more expensive to maintain. Trap number two, monthly payments. A $1,000 purchase feels expensive, but suddenly seeing it as just $83 a month feels affordable. That's the trick. You stop asking, can I afford this? And start asking, can I afford the payment? Trap number three, convenience spending. One delivery doesn't destroy your finances, but 5 small conveniences every week can quietly become hundreds of dollars every month. And because each purchase feels small, your brain barely notices. Trap number four, high interest debt. Debt doesn't just take your money today. It steals money from your future. Every dollar used to pay expensive interest is a dollar that can't compound for you. Trap number five, saving money but never putting it to work. Saving is important, but saving is only the first step. Because inflation slowly reduces what your money can buy. A dollar sitting still doesn't grow. An asset can. Trap number six, spending money to look successful. Social media makes this trap even worse. You compare your real life to someone else's highlight reel. Then you spend money trying to catch up with people you don't even know. And trap number seven is probably the biggest one, having no system. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a money system problem. So what do you actually do about it? First, keep your lifestyle below your income. Second, automate your savings and investments before you have a chance to spend the money. Third, attack high interest debt aggressively. Fourth, stop thinking about what you can buy and start thinking about what your money can become. Because the goal isn't to look rich today. The goal is to become financially free later. And here's the biggest mindset shift. You don't need to become obsessed with making more money. You need to stop leaking the money you already make. Because earning more without controlling your money can simply create a bigger lifestyle. But earning more while keeping your expenses under control, that's when your money finally starts working for you. If you want simple money lessons that can actually change the way you think about your finances, subscribe to ABJ Invests. Your future self will thank you.